Every movie needs a soundtrack. When we watch movies using our smartphones, we want high-quality sound to match the amazing display as well. This is why Mi 11 features sound by Harman Kardon, a world leader in audio equipment with nearly 70 years of history. We've worked tirelessly together to ensure that the high-quality speakers in Mi 11 are flawlessly tuned for your listening pleasure. Let's listen to what they have to say.
Premium sound is the marriage of art and technology. From elegant and sophisticated speakers to the simple splendor of luxury automobile sound systems, Harman Kardon have been committed to pursuing perfect sound quality for 67 years. Every Harman Kardon logo is precious, representing the world's most discerning golden ear. The noting and adjustment of each and every detail. They are the sculptors of Harman Kardon sound, with the ability to discern individual sounds beyond what most people are capable of. When the rich, artistic heritage of Harman Kardon sound meets the modern, innovative technology of Mi 11, the result is exceptional sound with a personal touch. The expertise of golden ear engineers ensures every detail is tuned to artistic perfection. Today's innovations make every bit of audio more realistic. On Mi 11, high-quality stereo speakers allow every sound to immerse you in the story. And with audio sharing, you can share the joy of premium audio with your loved ones. This is premium audio, tuned by some of the world's most talented ears. This is the perfect marriage of art and technology. This is Mi 11, the smartphone with sound by Harman Kardon.
Pairing their golden ear and tuning with our leading hardware has led to a truly phenomenal listening experience, worthy of all your favorite films. Paired with the tuning of Harman Kardon is a pair of excellent dual speakers. But we also acknowledge that sometimes you want a different experience. That's why we're offering something very, very cool. Dual headphone and speaker support via Bluetooth 5.2. What this means is that you can connect to two Bluetooth devices to your Mi 11. So for example, you can connect to two Bluetooth speakers, place them in different corners of your room to give you a very different sound experience. Or two sets of headphones so you can listen comfortably with your friend or significant other. Mi 11 has you connected with great audio.